Hello guys, I have just stolen the camera GoPro to Orshi, don't tell that to her. And I'm cooking a typical Spanish omelette. So, it is, oh, it's really foggy. How is the omelette doing? Now we have the potatoes and the onion cooking. Eggs mixed. And now, let's go and mix everything.
What are you eating?
Typical Spanish omelette. With onion, always with onion.
He
Always
is really
eating.
prompt.
People who doesn't like omelette without onion is
Shame on
please.
them. Can we talk about the TikTok video now? No looking into my nose.
Benny?
Yeah. So So on the 30th of September I won this.
A lot of parts will have like voiceover and music. So like we're gonna start with the picture from Saber with the settings that we have to do, and there's like this video like voiceover text that I created, and then I want to explain the stuff that I want to do. So it says like, hey there, fresh faces have just started the multimedia project, ready to take on their first challenge after some photography workshop with Saber. They got the mission, capture the perfect shot using 3 given parameters. Let's see how the volunteers run.
How are you feeling about having your first photography workshop today?
I'm curious personally.
Enthusiast, yeah.
Life at home.
We do a TikTok video.
Yep, there it is. It's a little bit
Experimental.
Oh yeah, this is the angle. Go down a little bit more. Oh, this door. This door like.
You will kill me.
That's the storyline?
But it didn't pack.
You will see.
Yeah, we just oh yeah, I kinda ruined his shot, I guess.
No, it's not shot in anymore. No. Jet.
Yeah, we just got out of the car and saw the sky. I cannot show it on the GoPro because the quality is not for that,
Oh,
but
this is the ESS, International Space
yeah.
Station. It's showing down.
we only have like 3%, so well, let's talk about how did you like the sausage festival thing? I'm gonna put the name here under. How did you like the festival?
Kranka Kluas.
It was really good. The sausage was really smoked. It's not my favorite specialty, but it was like good. It's like a French specialty. The name is La Saucisse de Toulouse, and it's really the same.
For me, like the sausage was really nice, was really spicy, and like the feeling was also like crunchy. Also, like the skin make it crunchy. So yeah, I really like it.
It was good.
It was good.
I impulsively decided that okay, we should go to Ljubljana, check out the Banksy exhibition, and I thought it's gonna be free, but it wasn't. It was a little bit expensive. We paid for it, we watched it, but then it started raining really badly.
But it's not a problem. The problem is the things after
the rain,
and
a while.
after.
We took the ground bus and now we are farther off Methode, and we went to a tea place to have a tea and sandwich. Yeah, and the waitress like make us a gift like
3 umbrellas at least. So many people are like.